morning. My name is Viraj. And as a chicken, what does it say? Chip, chip, chip. All through the day. The dog is a puppy. What does it say? Bow, bow, bow. All through the day. The duck is a duckly. What does it say? Quack, quack, quack. All through the day. The snail has a baby. What does it say? He not say anything. All through the day. Mary had the little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had the little lamb whose face was white as snow. And where Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And where Mary went, who lamb was sure to go. I know a duck, a funny little bird with fish shape like a fan. Shoodle here, shoodle there, and cracks, and all ducks came. This little frog took a bigly. This little frog took a smallie. This little frog this way. So this little frog not anywhere. This little frog went to where? Ipty, ipty, butterfly, 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 touch the ground. Butterfly, butterfly, fly so free. Butterfly, butterfly, land on me. Butterfly, butterfly, reach the sky. Butterfly, butterfly, say goodbye. When says a little bird came up, up, up. So a cry, little bird, can you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? And shook his little tail and far away with the floor. Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit, will you assertive? Oh no, thank you, not for me. Harry, Butter and the carrot. Thank you. Like and subscribe, share channel.